The CAMYOSFOP Water project on the humanitarian response context in the northwest and southwest of Cameroon aims to support vulnerable women and girls in the 5 regions of the northwest, southwest, center, littoral, and west. This initiative will provide essential services, including access to medical and mental health and sanitation to internally displaced persons and their host communities, thereby improving on their overall living conditions and restore their dignity. The project builds on previous projects implemented by CAMYOSFOP, including in partnership with UN Women, on providing humanitarian support to internally displaced persons and women and girls in the municipalities of Ombesa and Bafia in the Mbam and Enugu division of the Central Region of Cameroon.
From the kingdoms of Songhai through Timbuktu down to the Zulu land, the drums are all beating to the rhythms of unity. I have seen Sundiata's head on the clouds again. Simanguru, where are you? Oh, Nkrumah's dreams are all so clear now. The Lambamong flocks on the slopes of Kilimanjaro is king. It's glad tidings I bring to you, oh Africa. Let's wave the flag of peace. Let's wave the white flag now. Oh, so I say, yes I say, we've got to s'aimer les graines de la tolérance. S'aimer les graines de l'amour. S'aimer les graines de l'affection. S'aimer les graines de l'intégration. See how we've become the pawn in this global game, because we've created a cultural no man's land down here, a land on which we perpetrate all our hideous crimes. We've created countries without armies and armies without countries. See now we've been taught the poor and highly indebted man. Maybe we know the way to keep our dignity now. Maybe someone's playing foul game on us, or maybe a backyard is really dirty. Oh, let's do something about it.